Today we're working on the rally car. We're getting the harness bar welded in, cleaning and painting the interior, and some other odds and ends. Let's get after it. First order of business is to cut these two little end caps for the bumpers. They're just kind of exposed tubes and they're gonna fill with water and rust and rocks and all kinds of junk. So we'll just weld on these little end caps. The saw didn't like that tight of a circle. The saw really hated that, so I'm gonna see if I can scissor it the rest of the way. But the scissors don't like it either, damn it. Wouldn't guess such a simple task would be so difficult. This is what I'm gonna use for the harness bar. It's 1.5 inch outside diameter, 0.120 thick tubing. We'll weld this horizontally right behind the passenger and driver's seats so that the 5-point harnesses have something to strap to. We're trying to be as safe as we can here while doing something dumb, as usual. A little long, might have to hammer it in, but that's the idea. Well, they're about as bad as welds have ever looked, but remember, they don't have to do anything important. Just hold our entire bodies into the car in an event of a crash. All right, I'm gonna weld the end caps on the bumper. I'm sure it's gonna go terribly. It's actually not as bad as it could have gone. That's not as bad as I expected it to go. I'll take it. I'm getting better. Still have no clue what I'm doing. The goal was to organize the wiring and make it look somewhat half decent, but of course I don't have the right size of electrical covering and it barely fits at all. Better than nothing, I suppose. Got the inside all cleaned up, had to wire wheel over the welds that I had done because since there's no windows, the rain got in and rusted everything, but got it all cleaned up. Now it's time to paint. Got this truck bed liner. Gonna do as much as I can of the interior until the paint runs out. Try and do the roof and back and all of it. Get it black and looking good. Super cool life hack I learned from my buddy JT. Go to the skate shop or Amazon and get a roll of grip tape. Then pull the rubber off your pedals and throw this on there and you got some sweet grip for that heel toe action and just have extra grip on your pedals. So the inside's all painted, the harness bar is welded up, the pedals are grippy, the seat is in but kind of sketchy. I'm gonna need to figure that out. I'll probably have to buy new rails and maybe even new seats. It's like, ugh. It's super annoying. These seats have been so annoying since I got it. And look what else just showed up. My K-Sport Rally suspension. Oh, I'm so excited. But that's gonna have to wait till next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you then.